Yeah, here this is the table. So this table, yesterday we have seen the table like counts and percentage related. Now you can see this table subject demographics of age. So they want to show the age variable statistics like n mean, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum values of each treatment wise they want to display. Okay. Here, yesterday we have seen the data is a categorical data. So we have uh, do some counts and percentage. If the data is continuous data, that is, so individual entity of each subject like age is a individual. So in that cases, they prefer to produce the statistics like this descriptive statistics of age variable like n mean median. So they want to see. So here Kaplan derived from the ADSL safety population like yesterday. Age variable perform the statistical and age include all the treatment across the treatment groups. Okay. Here the similar thing yesterday table and this table is Kaplan count. We can take it from the ADSL and the body part variable we can use as age variable and we can use any procedure to get the statistics and we represent here. So how to start this program? We'll take a reference of yesterday program and we'll do step by step. Okay. Here header part I just copy from here and this is 14.1.2. Save this program in the folder. Okay. Yeah, Kaplan count is same. So that is why Kaplan part I just copied and save here up to here. The header part. So it is the same because there also Kaplan, here also Kaplan, same safety population. So we simply run and create the macro variables and keep aside. Next, coming to the body part. So body part, you just copy here and paste it here. What are the variables we need to be include? Only the age variable. Okay. So only one variable is required here, treatment wise age variable. So treatment variables and age variables we can keep as it is. And now you can see the ADSL underscore BOD. So each and every subject is age is a numeric value and that is a continuously, continuous variable because individual entity to each subject. One subject different age, two subject different age like that. Okay, now they want to show this variable statistics in the table level treatment wise. Okay. So we already learned some procedures in your base and advanced SAS like proc means, proc summary, proc univariate. So many procedures you have already learned. So in that procedure, we can use any procedure. Okay. So as per your wish. So I am just using the proc summary procedure, which is similar to the proc means. So proc summary data equal to ADSL underscore BOD data set and NWay and the treatment wise and the var variable age statistics we required and output out equal to ADSL statistics. What are the variables they want to be show? N, mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. These are the variables they want to be show. Simply run and see now the ADSL underscore sum. You can see the treatment wise. So first treatment, second treatment, third treatment, fourth treatment, N, mean, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. These are the values you will get by each treatment of age variable statistics. Okay. So now these other two temporary variables created, ignore those. And here you can see mean has so many decimals, standard deviation also so many decimals. And median don't have any decimal, minimum don't have, maximum don't have any decimal. Here you can see mean they want to show one decimal, standard deviation they want to show two decimal, and median also they want to show one decimal. Okay, so like this we have to convert your data and represent here. So decimal alignment. So data ADSL underscore sum to set ADSL underscore sum. Okay. So character version of the n equal to just put of this underscore n comma. So no decimals, right? Just I am giving three dot. And the minimum maximum also they don't want to display any decimal. So simply you can put minimum and maximum. Okay. So median and mean and median they want to display up to one decimal. Okay. So mean put of in 4.1 up to one decimal, and median also one decimal. Next standard deviation two decimals. So whenever you are increasing the decimal, integer value also you can increase so that you will get a proper alignment. So 5.2. Just run. ADSL sum to now you can see n minimum, maximum, mean, median, standard deviation. You will get all the character version of the exact formatted values. Now here you can see standard deviation, two decimal, mean and median, one decimal. So many decimals are there. We don't require that as per the table. We require up to two decimals. Okay. Once done this one, we just transpose the data set to show the same like this one. Treatment wise, the statistics should be under one column. Transpose data equal to ADSL and sum to out equal to ADSL underscore sum 3. So the by variables are no need by variable directly ID variable TRT01A and where variables are CN, C minimum, C maximum, C median, C mean, C standard deviation. Now you see the data set structure. You can see the statistics are in one column. Treatment wise, the values you can see. Okay. But here this name is minimum, maximum, median like this, but they are expecting in a complete text. So we do some customization as per this text. So data ADSL underscore sum 4, set ADSL underscore sum 3, if underscore name underscore equal to, so for example, it is a CN, then I created the variable OD equal to 1, stat equal to, so how you want to represent here, small n. Okay. So it should be 1, 2, 3 spaces. End. So why we are giving one number? Because we are going to show in the first row. Next to mean, it is a mean. You can give the number to mean. Okay. Next one is SD, standard deviation. If it is C, standard deviation, you can give any standard deviation. And next fourth one is, I think, median. Yeah. So median for the next minimum maximum.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, these variable names, can we give in the put statement only?
Uh, uh,
Like C mean, C minimum, C maximum, we are given in the uh, converting into character, right? That time only can we give this N mean, median naming?
here you are
Yes,
actually.
yes,
You can give also fine. So after transposing also you can give as per your convenient. No issues. Okay. The maximum and maximum. Okay. So our aim is to provide the text as per this one whenever you created. So to avoid the truncation issue. So just I'm giving the length 100. Okay. Now ADSL underscore sum for. So statistics, OD, and this 5 is there. So now underscore name underscore is not required. Simply we can drop the underscore name underscore and we just sort the data set and see we give an OD. Okay. Now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is a 6. You can see the order n, mean, standard deviation, median, minimum, and maximum exactly similar to here. Okay. So if you are not giving, it is going to the alphabetical order wise, right? So that is why we just giving the same order and giving the number. Now we need this label at the top. So for that purpose, what I do? So I just created a separate data set label and this is the length. You can give the that equal to this one and we need to represent this top, right? So that is why I just OD 0 because it starts with 1, right? So if you want to keep it the top, I just given the OD equal to 0. So this label. Now I am set this information to this one data ADSL underscore sum 5 set label data set ADSL underscore sum 4 and run. Now we can see age in years and the statistics. So order also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First treatment, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay. Now the data set exactly similar to our output. Now what we do? Simply we are going to write a proc report section to represent this information. So how to write the proc report section? Like yesterday we have done, right? Same. Just copy this one and paste it here. The title 3 is this one. And this is actually in the footnote, we can give the program name only, which program we created for this one. And yeah, this is the, we can give this data set name as final. So what are the variable? OD, stat. OD and stat. OD is the numeric first, then stat. If you started this one, automatically this started as per this order. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we define, just copy the entire code, paste it here. So OD place OD, and here you will give the stat. The label of the stat is category. So remaining no need to change anything because already we defined, right? We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and above one line and below one line. Now you can see, yeah. So category of under age variable, we will see. So three subjects are taken drug A, N, 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 1 decimal, and this decimal. And so total 11 subject. So small n should be equal or less than to the capital N. It should not be like, if it is a 12, it is wrong because total number of subject taken the all 11. But how can we get the 12? So it should be equal or less than to the capital N count. And you will see the median value. Median value nothing but middle of the value. So 44 to 80, so it should be there. 44 to 56, it should be there. It should not, for example, it is 45. This is wrong. Why? Because the minimum value is 46, maximum value is 78. Median value nothing but middle of the value. So it should be between the 46 to 78. Like that, you will check the median value. And so minimum, maximum, you can see these are the minimum values of this four treatment. Any one value should be there here. So this is a maximum value. It should be any one of this value maximum. I think in this which one is the minimum, you can see the minimum. In this which one is the maximum, that value you can see here. All treatment. Okay. So this is a way to create a summary statistics of descriptive statistics of any continuous variable. For example, want to height statistics or weight statistics, instead of age variable, simply you pass the age variable place, you simply pass the height variable, weight variable, BMI variable, any continuous variable if you pass, you will get the statistics like this. So if more than one variable they want to create, so simply each and every variable you created one data set. Finally, you set all the data set together and write the proc report section to represent all the information into the one table. Okay. Yeah. This is for today's class. Anybody having any doubt on this table, you can unmute and ask me. These are previous class. Anything you can ask me now.